everyone, I'm Silverwolf, and as promised, here is the Furby Furblets Reeses edition, ready to be unboxed. I got this for Amazon America. You may be able to get it from other places though. So we've got our first Furby Furblets with a plastic cover on the box. You can see him through the window there. It's got a lovely great big warning, which they all have now, ingestion hazard about the battery, and you've got to be careful, which is important obviously, but it's kind of sad that it's right on the front of the box there. It's also on the side. I mean, I think it's probably, yes, it's on the back as well, except it's in French on the back. So Furby Furblets and Reeses, and apparently the ears move on this one. I've never seen a Furblet with moving ears. It's still got 45 plus sounds and stuff, speaks Furbish, the ears wiggle, music, and they harmonise with other Furblets. So let's open the box and have a look. So we've got instructions. This is all the usual gubbins about batteries and whatnot. I usually just throw those away because this is the important thing. Right, so we've got our little Reeses Furblet. He's only in half a cup at the moment because the box, I'm guessing, wouldn't allow for it to be any wider. They're trying to use minimal packaging, which is nice because so many of these things have too much packaging. We've got some ties at the bottom. To make it easier, I'm just going to cut through them. It's nice because they're not plastic, so it's better for the environment. They're kind of like paper ties. And you come off with that. Oh no, there's another one at the back. So cut that one off as well without giving him a haircut, because we don't want to do that. Oh, the other part of the cup's also attached. So we've got, of course, it's the little knots on the back here which is stopping it from coming through. I just couldn't be bothered to undo the knots, so that's why I did it this way. But the knots do, of course, stop it from being pulled through to the other side, because that's the whole point of it. Right, here we go. He's come off his little base. So, just take these out. They pull out easily enough. This one, you've got to be careful with this one because it's wrapped around the ears. So when you open it, be very careful not to just yank it and pull the ears off. Just unwrap it like that. Right, and then we've got, this has got some sort of a cardboard thing inside. I'll just free the other one as well. So we can see what both sides look like. It clips in there. So do these just slide on? No, they don't. They actually clip. I'm guessing you can just pop him in and pull him out, or do you have to put him in and actually clip it on around him like that? Can you take him out? Oh no, you can take him out. It's okay. So he just kind of sits in there. That's pretty good. At least you can take him out once the cup is like put together. So this little guy's got Reese's written on his belly, so you can see the brand name there. It looks like the ear has got peanut butter in the side, and this ear has not. It's not got a bite taken out of it. The back's fairly plain. The material's really soft. It's sort of like a minky material, and then the eyes have got little Reese's peanut butter cups in them, if you can see there. They don't show up very well unless you look really close. So let's find out what this guy does then. Like I said, I've never seen one with actually moving ears before. Oh, okay. So if I do it like this, I thought that the ears actually moved when it spoke. I thought they were automatic, and it's not. It's a mechanism where you press this and the ears move. very relaxed sounding Furblet. Now, I live in the UK, so we have Reese's over here. We have the peanut butter cups. We have Reese's Pieces, and I love them. But, oh, look, he's happy about that. I've never seen a commercial for them, so I don't know if the music that plays on this is from a commercial or whether it's just made up for the Furblet. So please let me know in the comments if this is actually the official Reese's music, because I have no idea. It's very hypnotic, isn't it? Anyone feel like some Reese's? So there you have it, the Reese's Furblet. I'm pretty impressed with this one, actually. It's nice that it's got different sounds and stuff. It sounds quite different to the others. It'd be nice to see more collaborations between Furblets and other brands. Like, oh, I don't know, maybe like Hershey's or Dr. Pepper or something. Yeah, I like the idea of it. I also like that it comes out of this little, this as well, because it's nice that it's got this, but it's nice that you can take it out if you just want the Furblet by itself. So when I first saw these, I thought, oh, can you not take it out of the little cup? But you can, which is good. It seems to be a more substantial feeling Furblet as well than the others. I don't know why. Maybe it's because you can see more of the Furblet because the fur's so short, or the thicker ears. It's kind of sad that the hair on the head just kind of goes backwards from where it's been in the box, but I'm sure that can be brushed out or whatever. Yeah, no, I like this one. I think it's good. It's certainly different because, of course, it doesn't have the big ears that flop over its face. It's more like a small Furby. It's only a matter of time, I would like to say, before they do actually make little Furbies, like Furby babies and that. They've never brought those back, and I always found that weird. I'm just going to look at the instructions very quickly to see that we found all the bits and pieces. It's got the usual thing, 3 seconds on the head to make it go to sleep, short press on the head to make it wake up. Yeah, no, I think we've done everything with it. Enter sleep mode after 1 minute of no interaction, which is normal. It will interact with the Furby and the other Furblets. Oh no, yeah, no, it will. 2 Reese's Furblets, or Reese's Furblet and a regular Furblet, so I'll try that out probably in a future video. Yeah, press and hold them out at the same time, so it works just like all the other Furblets. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed watching this. I've enjoyed unboxing it. I don't know when or if it'll be available to a wider audience. Like I said, we have Reese's over here, but it's obviously, I think it's an American company, so it's going to be more popular in the States, I'm thinking, because it's more widely known. I think that my boyfriend, well, my fiance actually, we did get engaged a couple of weeks ago. He said that he'd never heard of Reese's, and I'm like, what? So yeah, I need to educate him. I don't know if he likes peanut butter and chocolate, but fun story before I go. When I was about 13, we went to stay with cousins in Texas, and I got introduced to chocolate spread and peanut butter sandwiches, and I never looked back. So it's not for everyone, I know that, but I do like it. And Reese's is a nice, it's a nice candy or chocolate. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you want to see more of the Furbies and Furblets, you can click the boxes that come up below. As always, feel free to send me a tip on Ko-fi if you enjoy what I do. It all helps, or a super thanks even. And that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silver signing off.